Okay, we're going to take a look at the RVJet. I'm going to unplug it and kind of look at a few things here, but we'll look at it plugged in for a minute. You can see our parachute. It comes in and out on the top hatch here. We've got a battery out to the side here just because it's a ground battery, because we actually take apart the entire top half of the fuselage. You can see I've got 4 nylon bolts. This is for prototyping. We've opened it up and rewired and rearranged to get the parachute in. We've actually moved the DroneDeploy sideways. The DroneDeploy is a test model right now. We've got the 3D printed case here below, and you can see the phone modem is right over here. It's basically just the insides of a cell phone. We got the Pixhawk sitting here on top. We got the APM plane sticker on there so we can know what the outs are. We're not using much right now. We're using 3 channels for elevons and throttle, and then the 4th channel on 9 for just a pass through at the moment for the parachute, which we'll do a throttle fail safe at some point for the parachute, but we haven't programmed that in yet. It's taken a while to get all this wiring kind of down. The power module fits right down in here. Whenever it's all said and done, we've got wiring coming through from the wings right here in the back. We've got our electronic speed control, and so it looks a lot less of a bird's nest as it did before. We'll actually still have some things to add on to this. We've got a front mounted nose camera. After all testing and things are working good, we'll have a front mounted nose camera. The LiPo batteries are for testing right now, but we'll actually be switching to lithium ion batteries, which will fit in the compartment quite a bit different, and actually hopefully not having to pull the hatch off anymore. And when we do a final model, we'll actually have the hatch completely glued on, and we probably won't have it removable like it is now. We've got a foam nose simply for testing here. You can see it's pretty beat up, and that way it's taking all the brunt of the damage and not our front camera dome that we've talked about and shown in other videos. And you can see our custom harness. It just comes apart for getting into the hatch. Alright, well, let's disarm this. We're going to unplug, and a little bit more ground adjustment, and we're going to be ready for flight here pretty soon.